Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
Robert made a personal flying machine.
A flying machine?
Yeah. He's testing it now. Apparently.
That is not going to work.
Is he going to jump from there?
Eject! 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 What, you think you can do better?
Yeah?
Since the dawn of time, humans have dreamed of flight. From Da Vinci's Flyer, to the Wright brothers, to today, we have always wanted to take to the skies. We want FRC teams to get creative and design their own personal flying machines. You can find inspiration for a flying machine anywhere. Art, animals, real-world designs, comics, movies, and stuff you find around the house. The sky is the limit. Talk with your team and figure out your machine's story. The only criteria is that your flying machine must be for one person's use. Let your imagination take flight. Teams will be using xDesign and xShape on the 3D Experience platform to create their flying machine models. The 3D Experience platform is a cloud environment where your team can seamlessly design, collaborate, and communicate. Once you register, you'll be granted the role of 3D creator and 3D sculptor. Then you'll have access to the X apps, and your teams can start designing. xDesign is a parametric modeling app, similar to SOLIDWORKS. xShape is our new subdivision modeling app. It's great for organic and aerodynamic shapes. Using xDesign and xShape together is easy. You can easily switch from one app to the other by pressing the X key on your keyboard at any time. By using the two apps in tandem, you can create almost anything you can imagine. Your designs will be judged by a panel of SOLIDWORKS and Dassault Systèmes executives. They'll be judging the creativity of your design and its story, and your use of the 3D Experience platform to communicate and bring your idea to life. The submission date for your flying machine is December 16th. Check out our other videos to learn how to register for the challenge and more in-depth instructions on how to design and collaborate using the 3D Experience platform. It's time to take flight with the SOLIDWORKS xChallenge. Good luck to all the teams.
Yeah.